So first, I'll introduce my. Do I need to introduce myself? Or you know me?
Yes, we know you. We know you.
Thank you so much. Still, I'll introduce myself. I'm Chef Ramchandra Rao, Executive Chef of Radisson Blu Hotel Ranchi. I'm here for you all to little brief about Jharkhand cuisine. As if now Jharkhand cuisine is not very much known and it is not been studied. But since we are in Jharkhand and we are in Ranchi, so it's our social responsibility and our moral responsibility also to know about the cuisine. Any place or any state or any country, they have got their own culture, food, living habit. Okay. Similarly, Jharkhand also has got its own living habit and eating habit. God has given to every place, according to the geographical condition, the eating habits and ingredients are a bit different than other places. So similarly here also, there are few vegetables. Mostly the vegetables are organic or wild, which is consumable and very medicinal values, full of medicinal values. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, as it is, this menu is not been synchronized, but we have been trying hard to promote it and to bring it to the level where other foods are there. Okay. So, your principal sir has requested me to be here for you to tell me about this, and we are here to start with very limited and few menus. Among you all have heard about kachri.
Yes.
Kachri is a famous starter here, like kachri, dhuska, pyaji, barra. Yes, these are all vegetables. Other than non-vegetable vegetables are also there, like pankudi kebab. Here when we dress the chicken, we don't throw anything. Okay, it is cooked in some other form. But similarly, that pankudi kebab, when you cut out the wings, you can prepare a nice dish out of it. Let's not discuss all the things, but we'll start today. Today I'll talk about today's menu. And let me introduce Chef Alka Rao. She is from Arkansas College. And she is my better behalf. So we are both in the same profession. So I thought it will be good to interact with you all. She was very much anxious to meet you all. To say something.
Okay.
How many of you have heard about RKDF College?
University.
University? Yes, sir.
She is a professor out there.
Okay.
Chef.
Myself, Mrs. Alka Rao. I'm an assistant professor in Arkadia University in a department of hotel management, and I am only chef out there. Okay, I have joined 1 year back, and suddenly we got the lockdown. Okay, so my students have not done the practical because during lockdown we have set the kitchen. Okay, the kitchen was, the setup was not there. The hotel management setup, as you know, it requires more complicated infrastructure. Okay, you need to arrange the lab, you need to set up the lab. So during the lockdown time, we have set up the labs, the kitchen are set up there. All the purchasing and all the things are set up by me. And due to the COVID, we haven't started the actual practicals with the students. Okay, but I was in this profession from last 22 years. I was in ISM Punjab before RKDF University. Then I joined RKDF University. I have done my diploma from IHM Mumbai. Okay, in I was 97 batch pass out. Okay, and I was born and brought up in Maharashtra, but I came here after marrying with chef. Okay, and now I am pure Jharkhandi.
So let's start. Not spending much time.
Okay, we'll start.
I'll brief you. Please come closer to me.
This is about the
Halfway by 7 water menu. Jharkhand is,
Come this side.
come.
Come here.
So mostly we had kept the dishes which are, which are mostly known to you. But I believe here only thing is Kudrum. Kudrum, you know?
Yes, sir.
Who do not know, I'll tell you this is a family of jute. Jute has got two families. One is used for, getting a rope, and other is being used for culinary purpose. Jute here, and in Jharkhand it is known as a Kudrum. In Maharashtra it is known as a Ambati, and in the south it is also being used, and I'm forgetting the name. It is there in Jharkhand and south also.
And south.
So we'll, as if it is, there is no such soup, but then we have created this. Now
It can be,
it is very sour in taste. It's very sour in taste, and it can be used as a chutney. That goes very well. We can make it as a soup also. Okay. So today we'll make it soup out of it. Rest jackfruit and olive. Our menu is kachiri first. Second is kudrum ka shorba. That will make it out of it. And then kassi mas, mutton. Okay, good. Very good. I hope this small para from here. And kathal tiyar means vegetable. Whatever you say. That is in Sanskrit language. Yes. Sal. Tiyan tarkari, whatever you call. And chimti sag, that is again, that's very organic and wild vegetable, wild leafy vegetable, and that is very rarely found. I thought it will be one of the best things which will become in contact with you, will come to know about it. It has got many medicinal values as well. Dukki, how many of you know about dukki? You know the popular dish. Dukki is eaten as a dal also. And sonachur pulao, shika roti. Shika roti is like rice pancakes that can be eaten along with dukki or any non-veg dishes.
Yes.
Then duska. Duska is quite popular now in Jharkhand. It's a street food now. Yeah? Street symbol. Then malwa roti.
Yes.
Malwa roti is also known as a ragi.
Yes.
We all ragi. And this is called nachni also.
In Maharashtra it
It's
is
called
called
nachni.
nachni. In south it is called as ragi.
So red millet. So it has got very rich with calcium and iron. I'll tell you one incident with this. When this Indian cricket team was here, they were asking for quinoa. Okay, quinoa, one kind of millet that is basically not Indian, that is obtained from foreign. Okay, and that is also very rich in fiber and protein. They were asking for it, and unfortunately, we have a small town and I did not have any other option. But I have got local Jharkhand ka Malwa. I told them, and I explained to the dietitian what is the value of ragi, Malwa. So initially they did not like it, but then when I prepared something like Malwa ka idli, Malwa ka dosa, Malwa ka chilka, out of which they did not like the rest of the thing, they liked chilka most. And till date, it is there in Indian cricketers' special diet, Malwa ka roti. So it is very helpful and very healthy. Please add into your diet, so it will help you to make you more stronger. Then Dudhori is a dessert. Basically, it is jute pitha, nothing but it is. Since Jharkhand, here we mostly eat rice, okay, in different forms. So even our roti, even our roti is made of rice. Even our dessert is made of rice. Rice in different form. And gul pitha is again made of rice. So I hope you all understood.
Yes, sir.
Any about any doubt, anyone, any queries, any question, please ask. No?
No, sir.
Are you comfortable in English or Hindi?
Both, sir.
Both?
Yes, sir.
And English will do.
Yes, sir.
हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
चलो तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं फिर।
Yes, sir.
तो टाइम टेकिंग इसमें क्या है मटन
Yes, sir.
राइट आई विल डिवाइड इनटू बैच
Yes,
यदि एक साथ चलेंगे तो इट विल नॉट वर्क
We have to divide it into groups or give the responsibility to each group one responsibility. Na? One, dish,
that will be
one
nice
group.
or you want me to demonstrate if I demonstrate then it will take time
No, it will take time.
Sir, actually told to demonstrate only, so that we can make a video, we can take,
Okay.
we can document it.
done
So,
Future.
done so
So we'll be making one by one.
हाँ ठीक है तो we'll first how we start here only next
Yes,
time
this,
sure ठीक है
the misa is not done now for
Example, they will do it.
mutton and all.
Example, they will do it.
Yeah.
we need to do misa
Yes.
for mutton we need to onion sliced
Yes, sir.
okay masala to be grinded
Yes, sir.
For
Mutton
doing
is-
example, we can divide it into groups.
Yeah.
mutton is going to take time so we
And the
start
main preparation, the cooking will.
Do it one by one.
jackfruit has been not peeled
They will pay it. Sir.
done
So these are the ingredients from which we have to do the misa, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There are no other ingredients. These
No.
are the.
The saag is there, mutton is there.
No,
And
among
garlic
this,
vegetables,
among
no.
this.
Whatever sir has, chef has invented, it has come
Okay.
to the kitchen.
Okay.
done so let's start
Okay. Onions has to be peeled. Ginger garlic has to be peeled. This you need to show this how to
Cut it?
Yes.
how to peel it and how to.
Yes,
You
sir.
want to. Okay. Then tomatoes. These are washed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you need to chop it.
Okay.
Chop it up the tomatoes. Then you need to soak
Soak
this,
it.
no?
Yes.
You need to soak this. You need to chop this.
it has to be cleaned first
It is clean.
It is clean, sir.
Very nicely clean. Thrice or
because
four
some of the
times.
stems are quite hard but they